If for some reason your pictures has disappeared from Android gallery, so here's how to solve it, and watch it till the end because I'll give you a very valuable tip. So first of all, what we should locate our gallery. Let's hold our finger on the gallery icon and let's press app info. After that, locate your storage. In here, press clear cache. Press OK. Now go back, let's press force stop, press OK. And now let's try and open up our gallery once again. So if the problem still persists, let's go to the next step. The next step is gonna be to check our Google Photos. So check your Google Photos. Here press collections. And don't forget to check your locked, because maybe you moved your moved your pictures there. So if you locate any deleted pictures, any missing pictures here, great news. Let's hold our finger on them, choose the pictures, press move, confirm your choice, press move, and now they're moved back and you will be able to find them in your classic gallery. After that, let's do a reboot. So summon your power-off menu and choose reboot option. And here's a very valuable tip. So to avoid the situations in the future, make sure to have some empty space on your phone and clear cache regularly. It really helps, and basically that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much. Please follow this channel and have a great day.